The Los Angeles wildfires are a recurring and devastating phenomenon that has profoundly impacted the region's landscape, economy, and people. These fires are primarily a result of a combination of natural factors and human activities that create a tinderbox-like environment, ready to ignite and spread flames across vast areas. The reasons behind these wildfires are multifaceted, often involving a mix of climatic conditions, environmental changes, and human intervention. The city's unique geography, with its dry vegetation, mountainous terrain, and Mediterranean climate, sets the stage for these destructive events. Prolonged droughts, a hallmark of climate change, have left vegetation bone dry, providing ample fuel for fires. Additionally, the notorious Santa Ana winds, which are strong, dry winds originating from the inland deserts, act as a catalyst, fanning flames and propelling them across the region at alarming speeds. Human activities have also played a significant role in exacerbating the wildfire crisis. Urban expansion into wildfire-prone areas has increased the risk of accidental ignitions, while infrastructure failures, such as faulty power lines, have been known to spark fires. Recreational activities, including campfires and fireworks, as well as deliberate acts of arson, have also contributed to the problem. The interplay between these natural and human-induced factors creates a perfect storm, making it difficult to predict and prevent wildfires effectively. The losses resulting from these wildfires are staggering, affecting every aspect of life in the region. The destruction of property is often the most visible and immediate consequence, with entire neighborhoods reduced to ashes within hours. Homes, businesses, and infrastructure, including roads, power lines, and communication networks, are frequently obliterated. The economic toll is immense, with billions of dollars spent on firefighting efforts, insurance claims, and rebuilding initiatives. Beyond the material losses, the human cost is equally, if not more, devastating. Lives are lost as people become trapped in the path of fast-moving flames, and many others suffer from injuries and smoke inhalation. The psychological impact on survivors is profound, as they grapple with the trauma of losing loved ones, homes, and a sense of security. The environmental consequences of the wildfires are equally severe. Vast swathes of forest and wildlife habitat are destroyed, disrupting ecosystems and threatening biodiversity. Animals are often unable to escape the flames, resulting in significant loss of wildlife. The destruction of vegetation also exacerbates soil erosion, increasing the risk of landslides and flooding in the aftermath of the fires. Furthermore, the release of massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere contributes to climate change, creating a vicious cycle that increases the likelihood of future wildfires. The most affected areas are typically those located at the wildland-urban interface, where residential developments meet natural landscapes. Communities nestled in the hills and canyons of Los Angeles County are particularly vulnerable due to their proximity to dense vegetation and limited access for emergency services. Areas such as Malibu, Calabasas, and Topanga Canyon have frequently been in the crosshairs of wildfires, suffering repeated devastation over the years. These regions are characterized by narrow, winding roads that can become choke points during evacuations, making it challenging for residents to escape and for firefighters to access the affected areas. The people most affected by these wildfires come from diverse backgrounds, but certain groups are disproportionately impacted. Low-income families often bear the brunt of the disaster, as they may lack the resources to prepare for, respond to, and recover from wildfires. Many live in older, less fire-resistant homes and may not have adequate insurance coverage to rebuild. Additionally, renters are often left without recourse when their homes are destroyed. Elderly residents and those with disabilities face significant challenges during evacuations, as they may require additional assistance to escape the danger zone. Immigrant communities, particularly those with limited English proficiency, may struggle to access critical information and resources during emergencies. Meanwhile, Wealthier residents in high-risk areas may also suffer significant losses, but they often have better access to insurance and recovery resources. Efforts to address the wildfire crisis in Los Angeles have been extensive, involving a combination of firefighting, prevention, and recovery measures. Firefighting agencies deploy thousands of personnel, aircraft, and equipment to battle the flames, often risking their lives in the process. The use of advanced technology, such as drones and satellite imagery, has improved the ability to monitor and respond to fires in real time. Controlled burns and vegetation management are employed to reduce fuel loads in fire-prone areas, although these measures are not without controversy due to their potential environmental impact. Public awareness campaigns and community education programs play a crucial role in promoting preparedness and resilience. Residents are encouraged to create defensible spaces around their homes, develop evacuation plans, and stay informed through emergency alerts. Building codes have been updated to require fire-resistant materials and designs in new constructions, particularly in high-risk areas. However, enforcing these regulations and retrofitting existing structures remains a significant challenge. Recovery efforts focus on rebuilding and supporting affected communities, but the road to recovery is often long and arduous. Federal and state governments provide financial assistance through disaster relief programs, while nonprofit organizations and community groups offer additional support. Mental health services are also a critical component of recovery, helping survivors cope with the emotional aftermath of the fires. Despite these efforts, the scale and frequency of wildfires in Los Angeles underscore the need for long-term solutions. Addressing the underlying causes of the crisis, such as climate change and urban sprawl, requires a coordinated and sustained effort at the local, state, and national levels. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, investing in renewable energy, and implementing sustainable land use policies are essential steps toward mitigating the risk of future wildfires. Additionally, fostering collaboration between government agencies, community organizations, and private stakeholders is crucial for building resilience and ensuring a comprehensive response to the wildfire threat. In the face of this ongoing crisis, the resilience and determination of the people of Los Angeles shine through. Time and again, communities come together to support one another, demonstrating the strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. While the path forward is fraught with challenges, the lessons learned from each wildfire provide valuable insights and opportunities to improve preparedness, response, and recovery efforts. By addressing the root causes and embracing innovative solutions, Los Angeles can chart a course toward a safer and more sustainable future, ensuring that the devastating legacy of wildfires does not define the region for generations to come. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the updates. Also, don't forget to like and share this video.